Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of denied account on the application of Netflix. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about the application of Netflix. In this window of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again.